Definitely go follow Echo if you're from Cookie Stream, and if you're from Echo Stream, definitely go follow Cookie. And if you're not, and if you're from my stream and you haven't followed either of them, shame on you. You should totally do it. Oh, what the fuck? Sorry, Flick. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Come here. Come here. I'm sorry. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm gonna put him away. I just scared him and he fell off my shoulder. Oh my god. Jimmy the Rustler, thank you for the follow, sir. I gotta put this bird away. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe that just happened. 11 hours. Alright, that's totally gonna be a highlight too. Oh my god, I gotta make a note of that. That's too good. Oh my gosh. Dez1919, thank you for the follow. Did High Kicks really call that? Where did you call that? I don't see it. Did he really? That's awesome. Oh my gosh. God, that scared the shit out of me. Sorry guys, I'm starting to get a headache, so I'm trying to stay hydrated. Bear with me just 1 second. Alright, Echo. Have a good night, ma'am. Thanks again for everything. Oh my god. Alright. He totally called it. Is that my dude making those noises? Oh god, I can't see shit. No, 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 no! Oh, I've totally been here before. Oh. This is from the first game. Hey, Blue Eyes, what's going on? Been in the stream for 7 hours. Damn. I've been in the stream for 11 hours and 4 minutes. Oh, shit! Oh, my face hurts from smiling. Yeah, this is the DLC. Prison block. Do we want to go in there? Did he break the door enough? Oh, god damn. Seriously, my cheeks are cramping right now. I can't believe this. Yeah, this is the DLC. We finished the first Outlast, or I guess Outlast tonight. And everyone was saying how good the DLC was, so I was like, fuck it. I'll buy it. This way. Oh. Isn't this where we came from? Yes. No. That looks, uncomfortable. You're taking off, Squishy? I have no idea where I'm going. Don't even know what Snapchat is. I must be going the right way. A ladder. We lost Night Sky. Night Sky's not in the channel? Holy shit, he's in the channel more than I'm in the channel.